The holiday season, a time for goodwill and cheer, was thrown into disarray when Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, allegedly crashed David Foster's exclusive Christmas party, much to the dismay and astonishment of the assembled guests. Sources claim the uninvited arrival of the former actress sparked a flurry of whispers and icy glares, culminating in a swift and unceremonious exit for the Duchess. This incident, while seemingly minor, offers a glimpse into the complex and often contentious nature of Markle's post-royal life. Her penchant for self-promotion and disregard for social boundaries has repeatedly drawn criticism, and this latest episode appears to be yet another example of her penchant for creating drama where none need exist. Foster, a renowned music producer and composer, is known for his A-list social circle. His annual Christmas party is a highly coveted invitation, attended by Hollywood royalty, music moguls, and other luminaries. It's a night of glittering glamour and discreet revelry, a far cry from the more formal and often stuffy gatherings Markle likely encountered during her time in the royal family. However, Markle, ever the social climber, seemingly believed her celebrity status would grant her automatic entry to any exclusive event. Sources claim she arrived unannounced, attempting to charm her way into the festivities. However, her brazen attempt at gate-crashing was met with a frosty reception. Guests, many of whom were already acquainted with Markle's reputation for causing a stir, exchanged bewildered glances. Whispers of, "Who does she think she is?" and "The nerve of her," filled the air. Some guests, reportedly, even turned their backs on her, refusing to acknowledge her presence. The atmosphere quickly soured. The festive cheer that had previously permeated the room was replaced by a palpable tension. Guests felt their privacy invaded, their carefully curated evening disrupted by Markle's unexpected and unwelcome intrusion. The situation escalated when Markle, seemingly oblivious to the icy reception, began to circulate amongst the guests, attempting to engage them in conversation. However, her efforts were met with polite but firm rebuffs. Guests, eager to return to their conversations and enjoy the festivities, politely excused themselves from her attempts at small talk. Feeling increasingly isolated and humiliated, Markle reportedly retreated to a corner, looking visibly dejected. The once vibrant party had been thrown into disarray by her presence. The festive spirit was dampened, replaced by a sense of awkwardness and unease. Ultimately, it appears that Markle's stay at the party was short-lived. Sources claim she was discreetly ushered out by security personnel, her presence deemed too disruptive to the overall ambience of the evening. This incident also highlights the challenges faced by celebrities who attempt to seamlessly transition from one sphere of influence to another. Markle, having relinquished her royal duties, is now navigating the complexities of Hollywood society, a world that operates on a different set of rules and expectations. However, her past experiences seem to have ill-equipped her for this new chapter. Her attempts to leverage her royal connections and celebrity status have often backfired, alienating potential allies and creating unnecessary drama.